Hello and welcome to Code with Anand. So in the previous lecture, we created our job record with the job data. So in today's video, what we'll do, so let's go click on the setup, then go to setup under the quick find box, search for app manager. Under the app manager, we need to create our lightning app. So let's just click on the lightning app and the app name will be Hire Me. Okay, and then let's update our color, so let's keep it something like orange. So I'll choose some orange color and then click next, and here we will choose console navigation, and then we will click next. A utility item, we are not going to add anything, and then under the available item we will search for our job or tab. Okay, and then we will click next, and let's go back, and if we see if we can create item, so create custom object from the spreadsheet. So if I click here, let's see what it's saying. So it's saying okay, you need to create the custom object, so we can leave it. So for now just we selected jobs, then let's go click next, and then under the navigation rule we are not adding anything, just click next, and here it should be visible to system admin. Okay, so I'll choose system admin, click next and save and finish. So our job application is created. Now if you go and search for the job Hire Me application, you will see the Hire app is present under the app launcher, and here if you go you will see jobs by default. Okay, now our purpose is to add the home page, and how we can add it. So we just go into the app setup again, and then here let's search for Lightning App Builder, and under the app builder what we can do, we can create our new lightning pages or lightning record pages. Okay, so we want to create for job, so let's go and we can create from there as well. So I'll search job here in the object manager, I'll click here, then under the lightning record page click here, and here you can click new. Okay, so and once you click here new, it will ask you which type of page you want to create. So I want to create home page, and then click next, and the page name will be the Hire Me Home. Okay, where we are going to put our LWC and all, and we will keep as a home template for one reason, and click done. Now on this page, for now what I'll do, I don't have anything, so for now I'll just paste it our any kind of dashboard we can paste it for now, and later we will remove this dashboard and we will attach our LWC. So just save it. Once you save it, it will ask you for activation, so I'll click activate, and then I will assign to this app default app and profile. So here I'll click, and then here we will search our app Hire Me, then we can click next, and we will assign for system admin profile. Okay, and then click next, and then Hire Me will be available, and save it. So our home page is ready. Now we can save this one, and if you go back, there will be the lightning record page created. Okay, so because you are not seeing under lightning record page, because we didn't create the record page, we created the home page. Okay, so it will be only available under the home page, and we assign that home page to be available under that Hire Me application. Okay, so how we can go there and use it? So let's go our application, and then here we can click on edit, and then under here add more item, we can click add more item, and then search for home page. So we will add one of the home page, and then add nav item. Okay, and save it. So once you save it, by default for this application the home page will be available, and under that home page the same home page will be available, that one we created. Okay, so let's go and see. So we can see we added only dashboard here, so that's why the dashboard is only visible, and if we update with our LWC, then the LWC will be there. So what we will do, we will create our LWC for job search, and then we will add the parent LWC here for job board, and then that application will be available here. So that's it for this lecture, and see you in the next lecture.